All right, so this is the campaign optimization list page, and to get to this page, I simply clicked on campaign optimization, and you're going to see all of your campaigns located below. Keep in mind that you have to have an active sale inside of this campaign to optimize the campaign. So we're not going to show you any of the campaigns that do not have a sale within the time frame that you select over here. So you can adjust the time frame and go back, as far back as 60 days. When you first start, we get 60 days worth of data. So when you're initially doing your campaign optimization and you're doing what we call a one-time sweep and optimizing things right from the get-go, we recommend going back 60 days. This way you have as much data as you can possibly have to start your optimization. Now on this page, you can change the state of the campaign, you can pause it or archive it. You could also update the daily budget. You can see the targeting type, which is here set to manual, and we have a couple automatics in here as well. You can see the profit, and you can see various statistics related to that particular campaign. Now what we recommend doing is toggling by ad spend initially, because if you double click on ad spend, you're going to see the campaigns where you're spending the most amount of money, and the likelihood that you can make a lot of optimizations on those campaigns are very high. So double clicking on ad spend and setting your date range back as far back as you can will allow you to get the most amount of data and also to start with the one that's you're spending the most money on. So click on this campaign over here, and now this is going to be your campaign dashboard. So here is everything related to your particular campaign. As you can see, the campaign name here is right over here. And the campaign statistics for a given period of time are going to be located over here, which you can change by clicking this button over here. Of course, you could also look at the charts to look at trends to see how you're doing lately. And you can unselect and reselect some of these to see if you wanted to compare various metrics together, you can see how they're doing. Let's look at profit and ad spend and just look at those two. This is very cool to see that. All right, so now down over here, we have the ACOS profit zone, which we're going to discuss in a later video, SKU optimization, and campaign logs. We will go into all of these in depth in later videos. And I wanted to share with you guys the 5 different campaign optimization strategies. Now, if you look at the screen over here, you're going to see 5 different tabs underneath campaign optimization. Here's the dashboard, and strategy 1 is located on the dashboard. Strategy 2 is campaign new bid. Strategy 3 is keyword optimizer. Strategy 4 is search term optimization. And strategy 5 is negative word finder. We will be reviewing these strategies in detail in the guide in later videos.